Welcome back to channel, guys. This is the class 4th. If you did not watch the previous videos, so I will suggest you to watch that before to watch this video. Okay. So today we are going to make model by the grids. Okay. We have the grid, and according to that we will make the grids, and then we will make the model. So I will just click on the new model. Okay. And the settings are same: metric SI India Indian, ISA 100 2007 and 4x62. I will take, or here I will click, and I will take the same options. Okay, try to select the same options. Okay, now in the previous class we understand how to make by the uniform grid spacing, but generally this is not already available because if on this you are working on the site or you get the plans. uh, मतलब होता क्या है, अगर आप कहीं से भी प्लान आपको मिलता है ना, तो हमेशा ये यूनिफॉर्म ग्रिड स्पेसिंग नहीं रहता, कभी नहीं रहता, बहुत ही रेयर केस में मिलता है. मैक्सिमम टाइम यू विल गेट द कस्टम ग्रिड स्पेसिंग. ओके, बिकॉज क्या होता है, कॉलम का पोजीशन अलग अलग जगह पे होता है, उसके हिसाब से आपका बीम वगैरह सारा डिफरेंट जगह पे होता है. इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज इन द यूनिफॉर्म ग्रिड. सो this is the main concept of the custom grid spacing. Okay, so I will click on it. I will go to edit grid data. Okay, and here you have two options: display grid data as a ordinates and display grid data as a spacing. Okay, so try to understand these 2 points. First, display grid data as ordinates. I will show you what is the actual meaning of that. I will open, I have this grid. Okay, so display data as ordinates. Here you see, this is my first grid, and here to here distance is 4 meter. Then again from here to here distance is 9 meter. Again here to here, that is 13 meter, and again here to here 16 meter. So every distance is from the starting grid, that is by the ordinates. This is mean by the ordinate. And here you see the second option, that is your display grid data as spacing. That's mean that's mean this dimensions, दोनों ग्रिड के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस होता है, that is the spacing between two grids. Okay, so this is the mean of this option. So you can create by this option or this option, but mainly these options are mostly used. Display grid data as a spacing. Here you see, mainly this kind of data you will be available. Okay, so we will use this second option, display grid data as spacing, and according to that we will make the grids. Okay, so I will select this option, and now observe this grid. Here is the horizontal directions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbering are given, and for the vertical A, B, C, D, E is given. So if we have the same grid, then according to that we need to make the same. Okay, you can't do according to you. So I will make like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is my horizontal, and A, B, C, D is my vertical. So let's come to the tab. Here you see, and let's see the diagram. A, B, C, D is in the horizontal, but I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the horizontal. So I will just easily I can edit it. Okay, I just make here 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. I will click here add, so it will add. And here in this direction I will also add one. So here you see it will be changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in the vertical direction I want A, B, C, D, E. Okay, but here you see, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is at the starting, but here we see in the diagram one is starting from the below. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is going from the downside. But in our grid, here you see ABCD is coming from the top. Okay, I want ABCD from the top. So what I will do, I will make it here. I will put A here, then B from the bottom side. Okay, C, D, and E. Okay, now I will give the spacing. What is the spacing between 1 to 2? Here you see 4, 5, 4, 5. So I will just put that data 4, 5, 4, 5. Here 4, 5, 4, and 5, and last point is on my 0 because there is not any point. Okay, 4, 5, 4, 5, and here you see A, B, C, D, E. Let's check distance between them. Here you see A to B, distance between them is 4, 5, 4, 3. 4, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so I will put here 4, 5, 4, and then 3. So here you see the grids. See in this diagram, A, B, C, D is coming from the top now. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the horizontal direction. So grid is okay, properly we created. And here you see the bubble size. This bubble size is so big here. So I will minimize it. I will make a 900 mm. Okay, or if you want more small, so you can just change the dimension from here. So this is the most important point to how to make the grids. Okay, and I will click OK. And here you see simple story data. I will make 1.5 bottom story height, that will be my up to plinth level. Typical story height is 3, and number of stories I will take 5. Okay, and I will just click OK. Just wait a minute while it is loading. Here you see 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, let's check your grids are properly created or not. 4, 5, 4, 5. Let's check. Here you see 4, 5, 4, 5. It is okay. And here A, B, C, D, 4, 5, 4, 3. Here you see 4, 5, 4, 3. So our grids are proper. We do not make any mistake here. Okay. Now the next part is the same. In previous class we already seen that all things. First thing is we need to define the materials. Okay. Just go to define material properties. Add new material. India. Just do the concrete. Indian. What kind of grade you want? I will take M25. Okay. And just click OK. Add new material. Go to here rebar. I want HVSD 550. Just click OK and click OK. Okay, the materials are created. Now I will make here all stories, and I will go to define section properties and frame section. Okay, so a lot of stuff here. I will delete that. Okay, and go to add new property. I will take rectangular, and from here I will take column size. I will take randomly, that is 300 by 5 through 5. Okay, according to experience you can take the size. That does not mean you can take any kind of size. Okay, so I will choose M25, and width will be my 300. Depth will be 5 to 5, and modify story bar HOSD 550, HOSD 550. Okay, so I'm taking the sizes. Okay, randomly according to experience you can take the sizes, and after analysis if there is something failing like columns and beams are failing, then you can change the different sizes. Okay, so I'm just taking this according to my experience, and if these columns are failing after the analysis, then I can change this. Okay, just click on OK. I will delete this property. I did not require it. Okay, my column is defined. Add new property again. Go to rectangular, and from here I will take beam size that will be 230 by 450. Okay, choose the grade M25, 230 by the 450. Modify story bar. Choose here beam. Okay, we are designing the beam. HVSD 550, 550, and change cover 40 mm. Click OK and click OK. So okay, one beam is designed. I want to design one beam more. Okay, so I will just do the copy of this beam. Add copy of property. I will give the name beam 230 by 375. Grade is okay. I will change the depth, and you see if modified, you will see the beam and all things are that is same because we did the copy. So click OK. Okay, so we define the two beams and one column. Just click OK, and now we are going to define the slab. So section property, and here you have a slab section. I will delete it, don't want. Add new property. I will do slab. I will do a slab two-way. I will give a name two-way. Okay, because in this grid, if you see, this is a 3 meter somewhere and 3 by 4, 3 by 5 somewhere. So I will know there will be one way slab available. So okay, so I will define for slab two-way. Here I will take M25. Here I will give 125 mm. And okay, this is shell thin for the two-way slab. Just click OK. Okay, slab two-way and add new property, because we will define for the one way as well. One way slab one way, and choose the grade M25. Now for how to make one way, you need to select the membrane here. Okay, if you select the membrane, you will the one option is activated here. You need to select that special one way load distribution. Okay, for the one way slab, you need to remind these two steps: membrane and with special one way load distribution. And I will change the slab thickness, that is 125 mm. Just click OK. So these are two slabs are defined, and I will just click on OK. Okay, so my materials are defined, my same frame sections are defined, slab is defined, and now I will assign them. Okay, so here I will do the all storage. Okay, and then I will go, here is the option of quick draw columns. I just click on it, and here you see columns 300 by 525. So here you see the orientation of column in the horizontal direction. But I will check my grid, where is the orientation. Here you see in my grid, these all columns are in the horizontal direction, and here is also in the horizontal direction, and remaining are all in the vertical direction. Okay, so according to that I will place my column. I will go to tabs, and I will just select this. I will select this, and I want vertical orientation column now. So what I will do here, in the angle degree, I will make 90 and put enter. Here you see the orientation is changed now. So I just select like this, and here you see in the 3D, my all columns will be generated. Okay, so now I want to assign the beams. So here we have the option of the quick draw beams. So just click on it, and from here select the beam. Here is a beam 230 into 375. I will select that, and I want this beam only in this 3 meter span. Okay, this is the shorter span. I will assign that. So I will just click here. Okay, now I will select my beam, that is 230 by 450, and remaining all of, and I will just select them. Just assign this. Okay, so my all beams are will be assigned. So columns are assigned, beams are assigned. Now I will check. Now I want to check my beams are properly assigned or not. I want to see the what kind of property of this beam have, and this columns number and all this. So here is the option. Here you see state display options. Just go into it, and here is the object assignment. Click on it, and here you have the label options, labels. Just click on the labels and click on apply. And here you see the beam numbers and the column numbers you can see. Okay, it is the numbers are given by the tabs. Columns and beams number, here you can see. And if you want to see the property of that particular beam, so here we have this section. Just click on the section and apply, and just click OK. So here you see the column and the beam dimensions. Okay, so beam dimension is 230 by 450. Here you see this beam dimension is 230 by 375. So this is how you can see the dimensions of the beam, the properties and all. Okay, so remaining things, so we will see in the next lecture.